In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a paper trading account on Sierra Chart. So you can safely practice your strategies without using a real money. So first of all, some steps in here won't be shown on the screen due to restrictions. So listen carefully as I explain each step. So first launch Sierra Chart and then go to the top menu and then click the global settings. And then under that, the data trade service settings. And then under the service dropdown, select the SC data dash all services. So this lets you access Sierra Chart simulated data and trading environment. After that, click OK to confirm. And next, we'll enable paper trading. So click on the trade section and then trade simulation mode on. So make sure it's on or make sure it have a check on it. So when it's on, you'll see a window in there that appears a title bar. That means all orders you place will be simulated. And after that, you can now open a chart to start trading. So in order to do that, just simply go to the file and then find symbol and then pick a symbol from the list. For example, ESM25 if you're simulating S&P futures, and then click the open intraday chart. So with the chart open, activate the trading DOM by clicking trade and then trading chart DOM on. So now you can place simulated buy and sell orders directly on the chart. So to review your trades, just simply go to the trade and then trade activity log. So this shows your order history, fills, and overall performance. So it's super helpful for reviewing and refining your trading plans. So if you want to have a fresh start, just simply click the trade again and then clear trade simulation orders and data. So this resets your paper trading account, and that's it. So you're now ready to practice trading in Sierra charts with zero risk. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.